Hello everyone, welcome back to Off Track Nomad's YouTube channel. Today this is our sixth class. Just a second. Today this is our sixth class where my target is to complete the whole syllabus within 20 classes of the CDS, AFCAT and NDA. Most repeated grammar topics I'll be covering in 20 classes. Okay. So this is the sixth class of the series. We have done three classes on parts of speech basics, and we've done two classes on conjunctions, and today we'll be doing its questions. Okay, so that makes it at sixth class. So let's dive straight into the questions. First one: you will not succeed unless you work hard. Students, in this, unless is a conjunction. Now, if you have a look, now if you were to, dive deep in more and you were to understand what type of conjunction it is, the four types of conjunctions are coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction, and the fourth one is adversative conjunction. Okay, so if we were to guess which type of conjunction this is, you will not succeed, you work hard. Students, this is independent clause plus dependent clause, which makes it as subordinating conjunction. Okay, let's move ahead to the second question. We arrived after you had gone. After is the conjunction, students, out here. And if we were to guess the type of conjunction out here, which type of conjunction this is a conjunction. Now, if you see that after, it's talking about, it connects two actions. That is arriving and going. So that this type of conjunction comes down to be as a subordinating conjunction. Okay. Moving ahead, bread and milk is wholesome food and is something which is a conjunction out here. And the trick to these sets of questions is wherever you have two different nouns, it straight away becomes a coordinating conjunction, students. The moment you see two nouns being connected by a conjunction, it straight away becomes a coordinating conjunction. Moving ahead to the fourth question, you will get the prize if you deserve it. Now, out here, the conjunction is if, students, and the type of conjunction which it is a subordinating conjunction. You will get the prize, you deserve it. You will get the prize, you deserve it. Independent clause, you will get the prize, dependent clause. Independent clause plus dependent clause is a subordinating conjunction. Also, if you have a look at it, it gives conditions. Okay, now let's move ahead. When you are called, you must come in at once. Now, out here, students, the conjunction is when, and that too a type of a subordinating conjunction. If you guys remember in the previous classes, I told you that whenever conjunction comes in the starting of a sentence, it and subordinating conjunction. Okay, so this is a little golden trip trick you're supposed to have in your mind whenever you're doing questions of conjunctions. Now, do not go before I come. Out here, the conjunction is before, students. Now, what kind of a conjunction this is? This is a subordinating conjunction because, again, if you see, this is talking about time. Do not go, I come. Okay, independent clause, dependent clause. Okay, plus it's talking about time. Next one, which we have is I cannot give you any money for I have none. For is a conjunction, students, out here, and that too it's a coordinating conjunction because I cannot give you any money. Independent clause, I have none. Independent clause makes it as a coordinating conjunction. Moving ahead. Since you say so, I must believe it. Now out here, conjunction is since. Okay, this is a subordinating conjunction. Why? Because it's coming in the starting of a sentence. Okay, moving ahead. He fled lest he should be killed. Students, lest, as I told you in the last class, it comes to depict something negative in a sentence. It does not follow, it's never followed by not. Okay, so if you have a look at this, he fled. lest he should be killed. Now out here, it's showing negative that too, it has a purpose. So it's gonna be a subordinating conjunction. He fled, independent clause. He should be killed, independent clause. So that makes it a subordinating conjunction. Let's have a look at the last PYQ, students. I waited till the train arrived. Now out here, train, I waited, the train arrived. Till becomes a conjunction, that to a type of a subordinating conjunction. Okay? Because it's an independent clause, it's an independent clause. Also, students, you have to keep another thing in your mind. Another golden trick which you have is subordinating conjunctions always tells about that. Okay? Subordinating conjunctions, whenever come in the starting of a conjunction, whenever which comes in the starting of a sentence, come to be known as a subordinating conjunction. Starting a a sentence. Okay, so these were the 10 PYQs which we were supposed to practice for conjunctions, and in the next class we'll be starting with verbs. So if you guys have any doubt, you feel free to drop it in the comment section and I'll revert back to you. Thank you so much.